Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Chucho. Today we're gonna make bacon avocado ranch burgers. First thing you wanna do is potatoes. Make sure you wash them. We're gonna start peeling them and then we're gonna be baking them. These take a little longer. These take like 20-35 minutes to cook. So I usually try to do these first. And then start with the burgers next. We're gonna do kind of wedges on the potatoes. You see how they were cut? We're gonna put them in a little strainer and then we're gonna wash them. We're just gonna rinse them with some water to get rid of that excess starch that's on the outside. And then you wanna make sure you pat them dry so they can brown nice and evenly whenever we put them in the oven. The burgers that we're doing today, they're also gonna be Whole30 approved just by removing the bun. Everything else is gonna be good. I bought some bacon that is Whole30 approved, so no sugars added. We also have mayonnaise that's Whole30 approved, and with that mayonnaise I'm gonna make a little ranch kind of sauce to it by adding some dill, some garlic, some lemon zest. I already made the patties. I should have made the patties earlier. I should have made the patties in the video, but one of the secrets to making the patties is not to mush it a lot. So whenever you get the ground beef from the butcher, as soon as you get in the ground beef, you just kind of scoop the burger out and pat it a little bit. You don't want to mush it too much because then it'll get a little tough. So as you can see, you can see I haven't even pressed it like a lot at all. So yeah, that's the way. Alright, so for the potatoes, we're gonna keep it simple. We're just gonna put salt, pepper, and some ghee. So I'm gonna scoop some ghee, just put it all over. Don't worry, I'm gonna get a little dirty here in a little bit to get it all over the potatoes. But I wanna do it after I put the salt and pepper. Once they come out, I'm gonna zest them with some lemon, some more pepper, and then I'm gonna make this delicious ranch sauce that's also Whole30 friendly. All right, make sure you have clean hands, and then you just kind of massage each one of them. Yeah, get it all over. After that, make sure you wash your hands again. Some warm water and soap. Get that oil off of your hands. Then we're gonna put them in once all it's incorporated, we're gonna put them in the oven for 425 minutes, for 425 degrees, for like 30 minutes. We'll take a look. All right, for this next part, we're gonna use some of this Whole30 approved mayo. Go like that. It's gonna be just like a quarter of a cup, maybe a third of a cup. It's gonna get some parsley. It's gonna get some fresh dill. It's gonna get some garlic. It's gonna get some lemon zest, and it's gonna get some lemon juice. And then you can't forget pepper, salt, and then you just incorporate it all like this. It's gonna go right on the burger, and it's also gonna be used as a dipping sauce for the potatoes. It's gonna be delicious. So when it comes to cooking the burgers, I don't even put anything on the pan. I just grab the burger, let it sit there for a little bit. I want it to create that little crust on the outside. I like cooking my burgers medium well. And then I already have the bacon on the pan. I'm gonna cook it in the oven, 400 degrees for like 10-15 minutes. Yeah. For the potatoes, I made this little concoction. It's just a little bit of butter, lime zest, garlic, and I'm just gonna pour it on all the potatoes. Oh yeah. So I like to leave a little bit of those juices there and just use that as like the little fat to toast the bread. And then my favorite part, of course, is the assembly. So we're gonna put some of this little concoction that I made right on the bottom, and then we're gonna put the burger. It's gonna get sliced tomato. We're gonna put some onions on there. Can't go wrong with some onions, and the good old avocado just sliced right on top. And then we're gonna put a little more of this concoction on the other side of the bread. Put a little bit of green to make it look nice. And then close it up. So this is the burger. Sometimes I forget to add a couple of things, but I do have the bacon right here where I'm just gonna put it back on top. Close it up. There's the potatoes. And I'll put a little bit of the dipping sauce right here. And voila. Time to eat. Now it's the moment of truth. Oh yeah. Mmm. 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 Oh my god. That is good. Mmm. Oh. Stop. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see some more, I'll be releasing more videos every Tuesday, maybe a Thursday here with some special meals here with Chucho. So don't forget to subscribe for this. On this video, I am learning new things. I'm trying new things. This is one of those, yes, it's just a burger, but really making that ranch, oh, that makes it so good. Make sure you put that fresh parsley, that fresh dill, that garlic. Oh, you know how much I love garlic. But thank you guys so much again. I am new to making these again, so if you do have any ideas, any suggestions, any recipes you'd like me to try, please write them down in the comment section below. And I'll be making some more food with Chucho right here, cooking with Mooch. Alright, he's been waiting for this treat. All 5 minutes of me just recording. You like it? You like it? That was a snickerdoodle.